Yes, there are ready-to-order supply kits designed specifically to launch an office cleaning business. Commercial cleaning starter kits from established suppliers typically bundle professional-grade detergents, microfiber cloths, mop systems with replaceable heads, dusters, spray bottles, disposable gloves, trash liners, floor finish and floor stripper, labeled chemical concentrates with dilution instructions, and basic safety signage. When choosing a kit, check that the chemical concentrates include clear dilution ratios and compatibility guidance so you can mix solutions safely and maintain consistent performance across jobs. Prioritize microfiber over cotton for surface cleaning because it traps soils without chemical-heavy use and reduces rework time. Look for cloths in multiple colors to implement a color-coded system for bathrooms, kitchens, and general areas to prevent cross-contamination. Confirm the mop system is compatible with a commercial wringer if you plan to work in larger square footage or high traffic spaces, because a durable handle and quick change heads save time and reduce fatigue. Evaluate floor care components for your target market, since some kits focus on tile and vinyl while others include finishes suited to sealed concrete or wood. If you need to strip and refinish, you will want a stronger stripper and pads included. Finally, add items that kits often omit, but you will need, such as a basic toolkit, extension cords, rechargeable LED task lights, and an intake clipboard or digital form template to document services and capture client preferences. 3 common mistakes new owners make are buying the cheapest kit, assuming one kit fits every client, and overlooking user safety training. Cheap kits often save money up front but include low-efficacy chemicals or flimsy tools that increase time per job and lead to repeat visits, so choose mid-range professional kits and replace the weakest items as needed. Thinking one kit fits every client ignores surface types and traffic levels, so create 2 to 3 modular kits such as general office, carpet care, and hard floor care, and swap components based on an initial walkthrough. Skipping hands-on training on dilution, equipment use, and personal protective equipment increases risk and liability, so run a short practice session with new hires on mixing ratios, proper mop techniques, and glove use before going on site. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and also helps contractors find work by listing projects and contractor profiles that match skills with demand. We host a discussion community where users exchange tips on supplies, workflows, and vendor recommendations so both homeowners and contractors can learn from real-world experience.